Are you ready to discover the ultimate strategy to make fabulous profits from TikTok without even creating your own videos? Today, I'm about to reveal a simple and guaranteed method that will skyrocket your earnings by leveraging the power of TikTok, without the need to create videos or invest any money. Yes, you heard that right. No video creation or prior experience is required. You can start now after watching this video. Let's get started. In the first step, open a TikTok account. If you don't have one yet, create a new account. Type viral funny videos in the search bar. It will show you hundreds of videos that have millions of views. As you watch, you will see videos that have 21 million views, 58 million views. Choose the video that you like. For example, we will choose this video that has 17 million views. If you feel that the video is good and funny and you like it, pause it on an attention-grabbing image. Take a screenshot using a screen capture tool and then upload it. Next, head over to Canva, an amazing site for designing anything you need like logos, cards, and videos. Click on Create a Design and then click on Custom Size. Make the width 1080 and the height 1920, because these sizes are the sizes of short videos or TikTok videos. Upload the screenshot, enlarge it like this, and leave this space at the top. And now press the Elements button. Drag this square and put it here at the top in this way. Select a specific color. Press Text and move it up and make it in the part that is above like this. Try to write expressive text for the photo you took. For example, we will write Funny Animals Video. Now go to the elements and write Play button. You will find many shapes for the playback of the videos. For example, we will choose this shape because it is the clearest. We take it and make it smaller and put it in the middle. Finally, my picture is ready to be made on the next site, and from it we will start making profits. Of course, download it as a JPG file to your desktop absolutely free. Now let's proceed to the next steps. Copy the link of the chosen TikTok video and go to ShrinkMe, the platform that makes profit making even easier. Simply register with your name, email, and password, or use your Google account. With registration complete, click on New Shorten Link and paste the video link into ShrinkMe and click Shorten to get a new link. Easy, right? The final step involves Pinterest. Sign up, modify your account with a stunning logo and banner, and create an eye-catching idea pin. Use the image that we made from Canva and write an appealing title like Best Funny Animals Videos. Add a short description and include the link which we took from ShrinkMe. If Pinterest doesn't accept the link, use bit.ly to shorten it, and then paste it into Pinterest. Create a board named Funny Videos and add relevant tags. Once published, when visitors click on the link, this will boost your earnings. Publish 10 pins daily for impressive results. You can withdraw your profits via various methods like USDT, Payeer, Airtim, Perfect Money, Paytem, PhonePe, and PayPal. The minimum withdrawal is $5 except for USDT, which requires $10. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button for more valuable insights. Links to all resources mentioned in this video are in the description. Also, check out the link to our video on the top 5 websites to make $10 per day online. Remember, success is just a click away. See you in the next video.